Thanks to the unique characteristics of ASTM A706 rebars, we are permitted to use deformed bars with a yield strength of up to 100 KSI in special structural walls. In the previous edition of ACI318, if certain conditions were met, we could use grade 60 of ASTM A615. But now ASTM A615 reinforcement is no longer permitted as longitudinal reinforcement in special seismic systems, as clearly stated in the commentary of section 2224. So, according to footnote number 2 and section 2225, we are allowed to use up to grade 100 of ASTM A706 for special structural walls and the grade 60 or 80 of it for special moment frames. This is a very important change in ACI318-25 that you must keep in mind when designing special seismic systems. Grade 100, which is equal to 690 megapascals, is permitted to resist both tension and compression in certain applications, but you need to pay very close attention to one crucial point when you plan to use them. For reinforcement resisting compression, strain compatibility calculations show that stresses are unlikely to exceed 80 KSI before the strain in unfined concrete reaches its strain limit of 3,000 unless a special confinement reinforcement is specifically provided to increase that limiting concrete compressive strain. In future chapters, you will better realize why ACI has assigned this restriction, so don't be afraid if it doesn't make any sense to you now. I hope this session has been useful for you. If so, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. In the next session, we will discuss shear stud reinforcement. You can click on it right now and watch. See you there, guys. Goodbye.